Hey everybody, today I want to talk about some basic stock market jargon that can help anybody hit the ground running after you attend our Step 1 Start Your Journey event. Okay, this is very basic stuff, but it's very important. And even though it can sound a little bit scary and big and like the stock market, it's actually pretty simple once you break it down and understand exactly how it works. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So here are the terms. The first one is stock exchange. The simplest way to think about a stock exchange is being like a big warehouse where stocks are bought at wholesale, marked up, and sold at retail. Okay, certain stock exchanges such as the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange and many others, this is how they work. And again, the best way to think about it is like they're just big warehouses where stocks are bought and sold. The second thing to learn is market makers. Okay, these are the guys that are working at these big warehouses. They're the ones in between you and the other party when it comes to the transaction itself of buying or selling a stock. Now, these are probably the most brilliant guys on Wall Street, but they don't always give you the most fair price. So in Step 1 Start Your Journey, we talk about a way that you can make sure you're getting a fair price from these guys so that you, again, are getting, being more cost efficient with your trading, your investments, that sort of thing. Term number 3 is stockbrokers. So stockbrokers are the guys that execute the buy or sell orders. Now, these days, it's really convenient for traders like you and me because we can do that ourselves using various online software provided by our online brokers. So we can do that on our computers, we can do that on our phone. It's super easy, but stockbrokers are still there. You can still call them on the phone if you ever need to execute a buy or sell order, in person over the phone. Let's say you're in the car driving and you can't get, on your mobile platform or your online platform on your computer, something like that. You can still call them and they can execute that for you. Terms 4 and 5 are known as the bid and the ask. These are two different price points that the stock is listed at when you look at it on your online platform. The difference between the bid and the ask, because remember, these are two different price points, is where market makers make their money when a transaction takes place. Okay, so the bid price, you can think of it as like the wholesale price being listed. That's the wholesale price we talked about earlier in the stock exchanges. They're being sold at wholesale, marked up, and sold back at retail. The bid price is like the wholesale price. The ask price is like the retail price. So just remember, you as an individual investor will most likely need to be paying the retail price, right? So you would pay the ask price. Another way to think about it that we teach in Step 1 Start Your Journey is if you look at two price points, you see one lower than the other, well, which one would you want to pay for? You want to get the lower one, right? Because you'd be getting a better deal. Well, unfortunately, you'd have to be going for the higher one. So if you look at two price points and you see one when you're trying to buy a stock and you see the one that you prefer to get, it's the other one that you need to get. That's the ask price. That's retail. It's fair because, again, you are an individual investor. You're buying at retail. The market makers were the ones that bought it wholesale. They make the difference in between, okay? It's simple enough, right? Well, mull over these terms a little bit and consider them before you come to Step 1 Start Your Journey, because when you get there, you're going to learn this kind of stuff in great detail and you're going to learn how to practically apply these terms and make it not scary when you start trading the stock market so that you can potentially start generating more wealth for your family, for your children, for your children's children, generations to come. And we're really excited about that opportunity that everybody has. And we're really excited to teach you guys more about this stuff in Step 1 Start Your Journey. So give us a call or send us an email so that you can learn how to get there.